812 radio traffic stop.
812.
Lost Nation in the airport with Tom, Henry, Ocean, Robert, Edward, 1. Hello. Officer, I will be placed on arrest. The reason why I'm stopping you is speed. 57 and a 35. You're going 57 and a 35, sir. You have your driver's license, proof of insurance. Why are you getting out of the car, sir?
I gotta get my driver's license.
12 radio, this male just stepped out of the vehicle. Step over here now. Have a seat on the ground. Have a seat.
I'm not sitting. I'm not sitting!
Back up! Back up!
I'm not sitting, motherfucker!
We're getting physical. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not sitting!
I will tase you, sir. Touch the vehicle. Put your hands on the fucking vehicle now!
What the fuck? Son of a bitch!
Radio, send me units. Roll over on your stomach now. Fucking ground.
Knock it off, man! Knock it off now! Get your arm behind you!
Put your arm behind your back. Okay, get your cuffs. Get your cuffs. Get your cuffs.
Shut up! Shut up!
You don't do that to a woman. Do you understand me? Pop or not, you don't do that to a woman.
Right, Jake, get him on.
Take your time.
All right.
What the fuck? You don't do that to a woman. All right, you raised you.
All right.
You're good up here. You're good.
Male's detained at this time. Keep your slide.
Roll on your side. Stand up. Walk back to my car.